Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meitu app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Meitu. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Meitu and you will enter. If you find the update in this plus sign, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.